Hello there, my name is Anton, but you probably know me as Alander from the Lands Empire. Today, I'm going to show you how you can draw any vehicle in Paint.net, step by step. Step 1. Setting up your reference. Start by adding a new layer for your reference image. This can be any vehicle, a car, truck, lorry, whatever you want to draw. Make sure your background is white. Then lower the reference layer's opacity to around 50% so it's easier to trace. For this tutorial, I'm using a Tesla Model Y as my reference. Step 2. Basic outline. Add another layer for your outline. Begin with the wheels. They are the foundation of the whole drawing. Next, sketch the chassis around them. Once the main shapes are in place, clean up the wheel intersections so everything looks neat and intentional. Step 3. Adding details. Now it's time to bring the vehicle to life. Trace the important details, windows, lights, trim lines, door shapes, all the features that define the model. Step 4. Coloring. Add your colors on a new layer beneath the outline. Fill in the body, wheels and windows. If you want a more polished look, use a subtle gradient for metallic surfaces to give the vehicle that clean, shiny finish. And done. That's all there is to it. You just learned how to draw any vehicle in Paint.net. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you later.